Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're an HP user who's been plagued by error code 0XC6FD0013, don't worry, we're diving straight into it. This error is a real headache, often popping up on your screen and halting your work, but by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to tackle it. First off, let's break down what this error means. Error code 0XC6FD0013 typically indicates a problem with your HP device's hardware or software, like issues with the BIOS, corrupted system files, or even problems with connected peripherals. It's HP's way of saying something's not right under the hood. Now, why does this happen? There are a few common causes. It could be due to outdated drivers that haven't been updated in a while, a recent software installation gone wrong, overheating hardware, or even a simple glitch from a power interruption. In some cases, it's linked to faulty RAM or hard drive errors, especially if your device has been running for years without maintenance. Understanding these causes is key to fixing it quickly. Alright, let's get to the solutions. Step 1. Start with the basics. Restart your HP device and see if the error persists. Sometimes, a simple reboot clears temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, head to the HP support website and download the latest drivers for your model. Make sure your device is plugged in and not overheating during this process. Next, run the built-in HP PC hardware diagnostics. You can access this by pressing the F2 key during startup. It's a free tool that checks for hardware issues. If it flags any problems, follow the on-screen instructions. For software-related fixes, open your command prompt as an administrator and run sfc-scan now to scan and repair corrupted system files. If you're still stuck, consider a system restored to a point before the error started. One more tip. If none of this works, it might be time to contact HP support or a professional technician, as this could indicate a deeper hardware issue. Remember, always back up your data before making changes. There you have it, folks. By following these steps, you should be able to banish error code 0XC6FD0013 for good. If this helped you, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech fixes. Drop your questions in the comments below, I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.